Today, we're gonna try Poppilu. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, today I've got a new delicious drink, and it's a company called Poppilu, and they're actually based here in the Chicago area. And I first tasted Poppilu when I was up in Minneapolis, and I found them in a premier grocer, and they were in the refrigerated section because Poppilu is not shelf stable. It is a fresh drink that must be refrigerated, and so they're actually kind of hard to find. But after I bought it and took it to my office, I couldn't get enough of it. It's actually made with aronia berries right here from the Midwest, and I have never heard of an aronia berry until I tried this. My guess is that it's something like a cranberry. It's supposed to be a little bit tart, make your mouth pucker. And generally, even though I try to avoid things that are really tart, I thought it was actually delicious. So I was really happy to see that Poppilu was selling direct to consumer off of their website. So I ordered some Poppilu drinks here in different flavors, the kids pouches, and I thought we would test some of these and see what some of these other flavors are like. You want to order some too. Well, first of all, let's start with the original drink, lemonade made from aronia berries. And it says curiously pink on the outside because I think the aronia berries are a little red. Now, this does come in a refrigerated package. It does smell like lemonade. It actually maybe has a little like a cranberry smell to it. Kind of looks like cranberry juice, that pink color. That's good. I think the major components of this are lemon juice, sugar cane, and then the aronia juice. You can definitely detect a little bit of that tartness, I think, from the lemon. So there's that distinct lemonade taste. But I don't find it overly tart at all. It actually goes down really, really easy. And slightly chilled makes it delicious. So that is their original lemonade. I will also say it's not an unhealthy drink, only 60 calories. Let's give a try to the lemonade, but this one is passion fruit. Like me, I'm a pretty passionate guy. This has about the same color. It might be just a little bit lighter than the traditional lemonade, but the passion fruit here, and I think it'll be about the same constituents and ingredients, but with the passion fruit in there. It smells about the same. Oh yeah, it's very similar, but it also now kind of tastes like there's a peach juice. It's a little smoother, a little sweeter. I tell you what, if you want more of that traditional lemonade tart taste, this is going to suit the... But if you like something that's a little smoother and a little sweeter and tastes maybe a little like peach juice, I think the passion fruit is going to suit your needs. Now, don't worry, if you have kids, they're not going to be left out in the cold. You can actually get this 8-pack here of the little pouches for your little ones. And they come in other flavors, like the original lemon. But they also have peach, as well as blueberry. And as you can see, the little aluminized pouches are just like the Capri Suns that I remember when I was growing up. So a great low-guilt drink that you can enjoy, or your kids can enjoy. Hey, if you want to pick these up, I'm going to put a link to Poppilu's website in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.